When it comes to collaboration in business software, the question often comes up, which is better? Sage Business Cloud or Wave? Both of these platforms offer unique features, but when it comes down to effective collaboration for your team, one might have the edge. Stick around to find out which one stands out in terms of collaboration tools, integrations, and ease of use. Let's start by talking about Sage Business Cloud. This platform is aimed at small to medium sized businesses looking for a comprehensive financial management solution. When it comes to collaboration, Sage offers several tools that are particularly suited for teams working together on accounting, invoicing, and reporting. Its cloud-based structure means multiple team members can access the same data from anywhere, which is great for remote teams. However, there are some limitations. The collaboration features, while functional, can feel a little clunky compared to more specialized platforms. Users report that it can take time to adjust to Sage's interface, and team collaboration often requires manual sharing of data or reports. Next thing, we have Wave, which is a popular free alternative that has been gaining traction, especially among small businesses and freelancers. It's extremely easy to set up and use, and that includes its collaboration features. With Wave, you can invite team members and accountants to collaborate on your financial data, and the user interface is incredibly straightforward, making it ideal for those who don't want to spend a lot of time training their teams. However, Wave's collaboration is more limited compared to Sage Business Cloud. For example, you won't find as much customization in access levels or user permissions. For businesses with multiple departments needing varied access, this could be a deal breaker. The fourth thing to consider is integration capabilities. Sage Business Cloud shines in this area with its wide range of third-party integrations. Whether you need to connect with CRM systems, inventory management tools, or even other financial software, Sage is flexible. Wave, on the other hand, has fewer integrations but covers the essentials. For most small businesses, this might not be an issue, but if you're looking for advanced integration options, Sage would likely be a better fit. Another important factor is reporting and financial management. Sage Business Cloud excels here with its detailed reporting features. Teams can generate specific reports for various stakeholders, and there's a lot of flexibility in what you can track. On the other hand, Wave's reporting capabilities, while solid for small businesses, are less robust. You'll get the basics, profit and loss, tax summaries, but if you need more advanced reports or projections, you may find Wave lacking. Lastly, let's talk about cost. Sage Business Cloud comes with a price tag. While it offers a range of features, especially for growing businesses, you'll be paying for them. Wave, however, is free. So, if your budget is tight, Wave offers a great entry point. However, with this free model, you're getting less in terms of advanced features and collaboration tools. So, both platforms have their merits, but if you're looking for a software that truly enhances team collaboration, helps streamline your processes, and offers the best flexibility, I'd recommend checking out an alternative that truly stands out in these areas. Through our link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. I've tested these platforms myself, and if you want to experience seamless collaboration, this alternative will give you exactly that. Go ahead and check it out and take advantage of the free trial to see for yourself why it might be the better fit for your team.